Right now, AI is changing everything. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that you can use to sell services online. You don't need to be a pro. You don't need to code. Just use the tools smartly, and you can start making money. Let's get started. First up, copywriting. You can write product descriptions, emails, ads, and websites using ChatGPT or Copy.ai. Don't worry if you're not a writer. You just give the tool a good prompt, and it writes for you. Example: write a fun product description for a red travel mug. Boom! Done! People are charging $50 to $100 for this on Fiverr, and it only takes 10 to 20 minutes to deliver. Set up an account, offer the service, and start getting paid. Next, branding and logos. With tools like Looka or Brandmark, you can make logos in seconds. Just type in a business name and answer a few questions. The AI gives you a logo, brand colors, font styles, even social media designs. You can charge $100 to $300 for a logo kit. Make it better by adding a business card design. Canva helps. A short brand guide. Use ChatGPT. Easy money. No design skills needed. Tool number 3, video content. You don't need to be an editor. With Pictory or Runway, you can make videos from text. They add subtitles, music, and stock clips for you. You can make Reels for Instagram, TikToks for businesses, YouTube Shorts. Ask your client for a script. Put it in the AI tool. Download and deliver. You can charge $30 to $70 per video. Do a few each day, and it adds up. Next, simple websites. Go to durable.co. Type in a business type, like coffee shop in Toronto. The AI builds a full website in under a minute. It includes text, images, buttons, contact forms. Sell these starter sites to local businesses. Charge $300 to $500 per site. Small businesses love fast and cheap websites, and you can deliver them fast. Last, visual content. With Midjourney, you can make beautiful images using just words. Use Canva to clean them up. Sell Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, Pinterest pins, custom art. You don't need to draw. Just tell the AI what to make. Example: a cute cat in space, cartoon style. Then download the art. Add text in Canva. Deliver it. Easy. People pay $50 or more for packs of 5 to 10 images. Now, where do you find people who will pay? Try these places: Fiverr, Upwork, Reddit, like r/for-hire, Facebook groups, local businesses, or make your own site with Notion or Card. Start small, offer a few samples, then raise your prices as you go. So that's it. 5 AI tools you can use today to sell services. No tech skills, no long setup, just smart tools in action. If this helped you, like and subscribe. More AI tips and money ideas are coming soon. Let AI do the work. You just show up.